Now, if you were taking this practice test and you weren't sure which module you got placed in, whether the second module you were put in was the easy one or the hard one, this right here is, I think, where you would know I'm in the easy module. Because we're at question 10, about halfway through the section, we're still asking very basic things. What's the y-intercept? Y-intercept is 3. That's it. Now, maybe this is worded in a kind of weird way, right? It's an exponential function, right? It curves up. They call it f, right? So it's not a y equals, but who cares, right? I mean, this right here where y equals f of x is telling you what you should just know intuitively about these function notation things if you've learned them in school, is that it's not a different way of talking, or it is just a different way of talking about the same x's and y's that we see all the time. And then when they say the y-intercept of the graph is 0y, they didn't even need to tell me that, because I know that if I'm asking for a y-intercept, the x coordinate is always going to be 0. That's something you should just know. So what is the value of y? Well, it's right here. It's 3. That's it. There's really nothing else you can even put, right? What other number would you think? 1, maybe? I mean, if you got this wrong, let me know. I'm curious what even makes this a difficult question, but I don't think anything. And so this is why at this point, you would kind of know, like, this question's way too easy for number 10. You know, it's too easy. So therefore, I must be in the easy module. And that, you know, stinks if you have higher aspirations of your score, because now it's going to limit your score to at most a 600. But at the very least, now you know, like, it's going to be pretty easy. Let me just be careful, right? Focus on being careful and getting as many points as possible. But a lot of the easy module, like I've been saying in other videos for this section, a lot of it is really just about reading the graph. So here you go, no exception. We're just literally reading a point off a graph.